Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making some detox juice, right in time for the holidays. This detox juice is going to help us lose weight and not gain any additional pounds during the festivities and beyond. So come with me to the store and let's make it major. Welcome to Everything's Major Cook Must. A countdown to Christmas. Merry Cookmas. Everything's Major. Everything's Major. We're on our way to Whole Foods. I'm going on a journey of wellness, and we're going to pick up some simple yet powerful ingredients that will make this detox juice a delicious way to reset and revitalize our body. While I'm here, I'm going to pick up my favorite cold pressed juices, Autumn Harvest and Fall Blend. Now let's pick up some celery. Since celery is heavily sprayed in pesticides, we're going to have to buy organic celery. This is more like it. Next, we're going to pick up some ginger, 2 cucumbers, and some lime. While I'm here, I'm going to pick up some other goodies. I need more Celtic sea salt. This salt's supposed to be less processed than the other salts, and it have more trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. I love this ginger ale. It's sweetened with agave. These pine cones smell so good. It's lightly scented with cinnamon. I'm restocking some more beet juice. It's full of antioxidants and electrolytes. It's vital for brain and heart health. I love this ginger tea. I drink it right before bed. It helps with my bloating, especially during the holidays. These are my favorite dark chocolate candy, but I'm going to leave it here for now. See you a little later, buddy. I got everything that we need and then some. So I'm going to check out and let's hurry home. Okay, family, we back home with all the goodies. We got 2 cucumbers, ginger root, but we're just going to use like a thumb size of ginger root in our detox juice, 2 stalks of celery, and 3 16 ounces of water. My husband and I drink this juice throughout the day, so I'm making a big batch of juice to fill my jug. This jug holds 80 ounces of liquid. I drink this detox juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then later on in the evening right before bed. Okay, first let's clean our celery very well. Even though it's organic, you still need to clean your celery. After cleaning, I chopped up my celery so it blends well in the blender. Then peel and cut a thumb size of your ginger root. Now add in your celery and some water. The water is going to help blend the celery better so it won't be so thick. All right, we got everything together, so let's blend. I'm using Ultra Blend on my Ninja. When it finished, I sometimes blend a second time to get the celery really fine. Here's the glass container I store my juice in. I don't have a nut milk bag, so I'm going to use this strainer. But if you have a nut milk bag, use that instead. I place the strainer right on top of the container and pour the juice right in for a faster process. And the juice drains right in with no pulp. So let's continue juicing the rest of the celery. Isn't this a beautiful green color? We're going to do the same steps as before, but this time I'm going to add in the ginger root. And now the water. I love this container. It fits perfectly in my refrigerator. I got this from Amazon and I will link it in the description box. Now we're going to blend our 2 cucumbers and some water and blend on Ultra Blend again. Add the juice of 1 whole lime, and I'm going to fill the container to the top with some additional water. I'm going to decorate my glass with some lime slices and lemon slices and a few green grapes. Add a straw and we can get to sipping. Oh, this is so refreshing and it tastes so good. Now I'm making my husband's glass. I added some mint and a few lime slices. This detox juice is super refreshing and hydrating and will help keep our belly bloat away and also help us shed some pounds during this holiday season. Until the next delicious encounter, family, happy cooking, happy detoxing, and I will see you guys later. God bless. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.